Hey guys, I hope you have a nice time. Today I will talk about this beautiful watch from Ricoh. It is a vintage watch. Let us first look at the dial. So as you can see, it is a beautiful, stunning sunburst dial, green color. And you have gold plate on each 5-minute interval, as you can see. And just below the 12 o'clock, you have the Ricoh and the logo of the company. Just above the 6 o'clock, you have 21 jewels, shock proof and Japan made. Beautiful watch. And you also have some lume, which is negligible. A beautiful play of light, as you can see. And at the 3 o'clock, we have the day date window. And that's it about the dial. Now moving about the case. The case diameter is basically 37 millimeters, and you can see a bit of thickness. As you can see, it is bulging out. Thickness will be around 14 millimeters. The case is made out of stainless steel. It has a beautiful golden bezel. Crystal is also protruding out, as you can see. It is made out of crystal. Moving on to the case back, let us see. It has the Ricoh engraving in between, shock proof, water resistance, anti-magnetic, all stainless steel, and the model number 61679A. Moving on to the strap, it's a genuine leather 20 millimeter strap. Very basic, very simple, goes with the aesthetic, goes with the bezel. On the buckle is also gold color. Simple and elegant. Moving on to the movement. The movement inside is R31 from the house of Ricoh. It is in hand wind and automatic movement. It has 21 jewels. It is operated by this crown. As you can see, the first position is just hand winding. The second position is the time. You can change the time and all. So as you can see, it don't have any hacking, as the second hand is still going on. Pocket back. This works for the quick date change. You can do that. Otherwise, you have to rotate it the hands to 24 hours, and then the date and day will change. You can just go on doing it. Very beautiful. Very nice feature from Ricoh. It's a very nice watch. This watch I bought it from an online seller from Instagram. It was like a vintage watch, and I never had a watch from Ricoh, so this was the one. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Hope you like this one.